Bruce Sullivan from Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa. We're here in Huxley, Iowa, cleaning the Cedar Shake roof. I've already sprayed it with our proprietary solution. As you can see, the color is already starting to kill the moss, mold, mildew, and lichen. And we apply this with a simple 60 psi, low pressure, non-pressure process. What we do is we let this dwell, and after about 15 or 20 minutes we'll use a garden hose and we'll take this off. Unfortunately, or fortunately for the homeowner, they were told they needed a new roof. Well, I beg to differ. When we get done with this, we'll show you what the end result is that it doesn't need a new roof, it just needs new cleaning. I'm sure we'll zoom in a little bit here and get a look at some of this up close. And then we've also got over here where we're going to be applying our solution here shortly, and that's the before. This is when we apply our solution over here, and then we'll rinse it with a simple garden hose, and we'll show you what that looks like. But for your Cedar Shake roof, it's Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa. We travel all through the greater Midwest. So give us a call. We'd be more glad to come out and take a look and clean your roof up and extend the life of it for many years to come. As I just showed you, we applied our soft wash process formulated solution. Now I'm rinsing the roof. I'm doing that with a simple garden hose. Just want to give you a little example how that works. Just apply simple garden hose pressure to knock all the lichen, moss, mold, mildew. Each shingle has to be washed and each shingle has to be rinsed. When you do it with about 40 to 40 psi, you should never ever use a pressure washer on a Cedar Shake roof. Especially these, because they're so infestated with moss, they're holding a lot of moisture. I just wanted to give you an example of how we rinse the roof. See what that looks like. That's Bruce Sullivan out of Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa, serving all the greater Midwest. Hello, Bruce Sullivan again from Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa, here in Huxley, Iowa. As you recall, this roof earlier was totally infested with moss, mold, mildew, and lichen. I've gone ahead and cleaned that off. It's still wet right now, it's still drying. But as you can see, there's a vast difference. No reason to have to replace this roof. All it needed was a good cleaning. And that's what we've done. That's what we do every time we come out to clean the Cedar Shake shingle roof. So we're looking forward to you giving us a call. We'll come out and give you a free estimate. And we'll extend the life of your roof just like we did this one. So that's Bruce Sullivan from Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa. Thank you and hope to see you soon.
Yeah, Bruce here. Now that you've seen my video on how we clean and restore and extend the life of a Cedar Shake roof, and we do it all with non-pressure, and we don't walk on the roof. We do everything from a ladder. I wanted to be able to give you my direct contact information. Up here you'll see this is my email address. You can email me directly, or you can call or text me, although texting's probably better because I do get pretty busy, and I will answer as soon as I see your text. I just wanted to give you an example of some of the thousands of Cedar Shake roofs that I've cleaned, restored, and extend the life of. And this is the before, and this is the after. Also, these are the states that I do service in. When you retain my service, I'm actually the one that's going to do the cleaning and restoring. And I do have a helper, but I don't send out a crew. It's me, myself, and I have a helper for safety reasons because we use ladders and hoses. But anyway, if you'd like to get a free estimate on how to have your roof cleaned, restored, and extend the life of it, contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it's been informative, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Have a nice day.